This is what will happen if you eat a clove of garlic a day. Garlic is a wonderful seasoning and can treat and eliminate diseases such as high blood pressure, osteoporosis, high cholesterol and others, as long as it is used in the right way, okay? Usually it is used as a seasoning responsible for giving more flavor to food. In addition, it was already used as a powerful traditional and alternative medicine. Doctors have already stated that a clove of garlic a day can bring many benefits to our health. I'll tell you all about garlic, but first, tell me what city you're watching this video from. Maybe you say you use garlic every day, even more than that, and you don't see any benefit. But know that the way you and most people use it is not the right way. It is often fried and cooked along with other seasonings, in which case the benefits and properties of garlic have already been lost. The only thing left is the flavor in the food. Garlic has vitamins and minerals such as phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, zinc, calcium and iron. Not to mention the numerous compounds that are lost when exposed to other components such as oil from other seasonings. And as I told you at the beginning of the video, it can treat all those ailments if used the right way. This, according to the opinion of a renowned physician in the field of rheumatology in Europe. When it enters our body and is faced with very high levels of blood pressure, it releases a substance in the body known as nitric oxide, which is responsible for relaxing blood vessels, and this causes them to dilate and thus improves blood circulation, lowering your blood pressure almost instantly. Try consuming garlic when you have symptoms of high blood pressure and usually your headache in the back of your neck. The racing heart in some cases also causes cold sweat. Garlic is also great for deflating any part of the body. That's right, you heard, like inflammation in the skin, muscles and nerves. Skin inflammations are usually caused by bacteria that come into contact with open wounds, or that are still healing. Inflammation in muscles and nerves, on the other hand, are caused by injuries, whether from a fall, or an injury that was caused by practicing some exercise the wrong way, or for longer than it should. So, if you have inflammation in any of these parts, use garlic and get rid of those terrible annoyances and health problems. According to a rheumatologist in Europe, the right way to use garlic is raw. He suggests chewing a clove of garlic a day, but as we know, that's not an easy task, is it? Therefore, I found a recipe that maintains all the properties of garlic and can still be easier when ingested. You must crush a clove of garlic and put it in a glass of water and drink it, preferably drink it in the morning and at night. Another option is to add a clove of crushed garlic with a little honey. I love this option. Garlic can also be very helpful in relieving cold and flu symptoms, especially in getting rid of a runny nose and lowering a fever. Remember that nature is full of powerful plants and herbs for our health. Now I want to pass on a message that is in Jeremiah chapter 29 verse 11. It says, "For I know the plans I have for you, says the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future." That is, God punishes sins and sometimes allows suffering, but His plans are always to bless and restore us. Reflect on that message. Until the next video. Bye-bye.